Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. David and I are avid golfers, and as soon as the weather gets nice, we're off to the course. When the Masters tournament is on, we're obviously glued to the TV. It is on our bucket list to see this event in person, so while we hope to go one day, I can't resist enjoying one of the Masters' most popular sandwiches. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Pimento Cheese Sandwich. This delicious recipe is pretty straightforward. There's a great combination of ingredients making this sandwich a staple at the Masters, beside the green jackets. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a mixing bowl, we'll add a jar of diced pimento that we drained. Mayonnaise. Now, if you want to make your own, click on the top right corner of your screen. Then sharp cheddar cheese, Monterey Jack with jalapeno pepper cheese, but if you don't want it spicy, use a regular one. Room temperature cream cheese, a little bit of red onions finely chopped, some garlic powder, also cayenne pepper, ground sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a few dashes of hot sauce of your choice. I'm using Cholula here. Now, with a hand mixer, we'll process until the mixture is very well combined and spreadable. Let's not forget to stop and clean the sides of the bowl, okay? So when it's done, we'll place a plastic wrap on top, making sure it touches so the mixture doesn't dry out, and transfer to the fridge for 30 minutes before serving. And my friends, this is our Pimento Cheese Sandwich. This famous sandwich, available during the Masters Golf Tournament in Augusta, Georgia, can now be enjoyed at home anytime you want. Very easy to make with a tasty combination of ingredients. No wonder it's so popular at the Masters. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!